Another concept we look at, especially with our semi-directional and directional, is this idea of beam width. So it's basically a measurement of how broad or how narrow the focus of an antenna is. And we do measure it horizontally and vertically to get an idea of what that width is. And the measurements will help us actually get the angle, right? I mean, if you would, this is an angle at some point. As we get further away, right, the beam width is going to get bigger. Maybe not as strong, but it's going to get bigger. So we're pointing it from the center, or what we do anyway, is we look at the center of the strongest point of that antenna signal, and then we try to find the points along that horizontal and vertical axis where the power decreases by half. And once we get to that half, right, again, remember the laws of 3s and 10s, then we'll basically say that is the beam width. And when we get the actual physical distances, both of from the center to the top axis and the bottom axis, if you would, the diameter of this circle, then you would be able to figure out what the angle is of that beam width.